What's up, everybody? This is my first YouTube video, and I'm gonna do unboxing on brand new AKG wireless earphone N400 NC. So this ear set is a brand new one. It was released in April 2020 in South Korean market, and as far as I know, that is the only market that this product has been launched. The package that I have in front of me is a fresh new one. As you can see on the bottom here, production, colon, April 2020. So it is a real fresh one out of the factory. And I think Samsung will launch it in other countries in the near future, but I'm not sure when that will be given the COVID-19 situation. I hope this video can find those who want to know more about this beauty. Now, this unit has active noise cancelling feature, which is the same with Apple AirPod Pro and Sony WF-1000XM3. As far as I know, this AKG earphone in my hands is the first wireless earphone with active noise cancellation from Samsung. And I think Samsung will introduce noise cancelling on Galaxy Buds in the future, but let's see if that really happens. And this is gonna be a simple unboxing video. I'm shooting this video with my Galaxy S9, and that is the only Android device that I have at the moment. So I can show you pairing experience, how it works with this dedicated AKG app. Yes, like Sony, AKG offers its own app. And I'm gonna upload that around a week later in a form of short-term review. Now, let me do some talk on the brand. AKG was founded in 1947. Yeah, you can see here on the side. Yeah, established 1947, Vienna, Austria. And what I think and feel about this brand is that they make quality products. I have seen many tech savvy people using this brand, and my experience with other products from this brand is pretty good. And as you can see here on the bottom here, it became one of Samsung brands since 2016 when Samsung acquired Harman, and Harman has many renowned brands such as AKG, JBL, and Harman Kardon. So then AKG naturally settled in under the umbrella of Samsung. Now, on the rear side of package, let's see here. Yep. And let me get the focus right. Yeah, got it. So yeah, you can see that it has many features. The ambient aware. You can control the level of noise cancellation through AKG app on your phone and talk through. You can hear what's going on around you or talk to someone even if you're wearing the earpiece on. And now it has waterproof feature, which is IPX7, and that means it can resist up to 30 minutes under 1 meter of water. And it has 8.2 millimeter driver unit, and which is the largest one in the market as far as I know. And 10 minutes charging gives you 1 hour of playtime, so a bit of rapid charging. And it has 6 hours of playtime on the earpiece and additional 6 hours from charging case with active noise canceling off. But when ANC is on, you will get 5 hours from the earpiece and 5 hours from the case. And it comes with Comply premium tips. Yeah, that's what it says. So okay, let's dive into unboxing then. So yeah, to open this, there's a hole here, and put your finger into the hole to slide out the package. Yeah, like that. And on this brownish box, we can find many text here, and these are just all the good stuff to justify your purchase. Oh yeah, by the way, um, the retail price in Korean market is about 230,000 Korean won, but usually you pay 209,000 won with promotion. And that is at today's rate, as you can see here, around $171. So on the backside of this box, you can finally see the actual earpiece, but you cannot take them out right away. You have to go several more steps to get it. So to open this box, put it down and open it like you're opening a book. So just like this, and we can see accessories inside. And on the right side, we have a carrying case here, and this feels like aluminum. I mean, it is not plastic because it is kind of cool when you first touch it, and the tactile experience that is it is giving is not plasticky. And on the back, um, we can find USB port with LED indicator here, and there's a small pairing button on the right, and we can find a nicely written statement which is essentially designed here. So yeah, it is essentially designed. I mean, look at this minimalistic AKG branding on this case, and open up, and we can see a housing for earpiece. And this is one of the quirky thing about this case. I mean, the thing is, left and right is reversed. I mean, left should be here and right should be there. Um, I don't know why they did this, but there gotta be some reason. And inside of this case, it has rubber-like surface, just like the bottom. So the bottom and the interior of this case has almost the same coating. So when you just put it down on the surface, it doesn't slip that easily. I mean, it slips, but it doesn't slip like ice or skate. And on the left side of this package, you can find extra ear tips on the top row, and down below we can find extra wingtip and a pair of comply foam tip here. So they offer basically just a pair of comply tip. So if you lose or if it breaks down, then you might wanna buy a new one. But this is not something that you will get from Apple or Sony. So under the styrofoam here, we can see some booklets. Is a start guide, and let's just check it out. Start guide, and I think this is a manual because it has a exclamation point, and it is a warranty card and QC card. So that's it. Now let's get our hands on the earpiece then. So when you uncover this paper here, you can access to the earpiece and get this chunky styrofoam out, and you will find the short USB-C cable is rolled around it, and the cable has somewhat above average quality. I mean, let me just show you. So cable is definitely thicker than average cables in the market, and USB connector here is made of single piece of metal. So that's what I wanna comment on that cable. And to get the earpiece out of the foam, you have to push it from the other side, like from here, push it. And it doesn't really get out easily. You really have to push it out. And then, yeah, here we go. And this one too. Oh my gosh. Yeah, got it. And my first impression um, with this unit is it is adequately sized. I mean, it's not as bulky as Sony, and it doesn't have a stem like Apple AirPod. And it feels quite solid in my hand. So I think anyone can tell that the build quality is superb. And I like the AKG branding on it. Some people won't like it because it is too showy. I mean, the AKG branding is probably maybe too big to some people, and some people will like it. And I'm just one of those people. I like it. And to be honest, before getting my hands onto this, I thought AKG letter on this unit is printed, so I was a little bit worried about maybe it fades away as time goes by. But it is not printed. Let me just show you. The letter is not printed. It is engraved on the surface of this unit. And let me just show you the moment that this earpiece slides into this beautiful black case. So it has a mark. I mean, the colored mark here, it has blue, so it is definitely left. So there it goes. And this must have in red, yeah, right there. So it gotta be right, just like this. And close it. And when you put it into the case, you can feel some kind of magnetic force that draws this earpiece into the case, but it's not as strong as Sony or AirPod. But at least you can feel it. So there is some magnetic force that fix this earpiece into the right position, and yeah, it doesn't fall out when you just turn it upside down. So overall, what I feel and what I think is the build quality is really great. It is definitely above par, superb. But one cannot judge a product by its look, especially for sound equipment like this. So I will do a short-term review after using this for about a week. So that is the end of this unboxing video today. And I will be back with a short term review in about a week. Thank you for watching. Ciao.